Morning, sir. This is Ralph Ibanez. These are explanation about Admiralty Notice to Mariners. The terms Admiralty Notice to Mariners refers to notification issued by maritime authorities such as the Admiralty in the UK regarding change to navigational chart, hazards to navigation, updates to age to navigational, and other relevant information for mariners in the publication of the Notice Mariners Weekly Update publication. The term is used to highlight the importance of providing mariners with timely updates and critical information to ensure safe navigation. It serves as a key component of the publication as it signifies the primary purpose of disseminating important maritime information to mariners on a regular basis. Weekly Edition 20. Weekly Edition 20 within the Notice Mariners Weekly Update publication, such as a vital identifier and organizational makers for mariners. This edition number help users quickly pinpoint the specific update they are referencing, facilitating efficient navigation quickly and communication at sea. Beyond mere identification, it plays a crucial role in organizing the publication chronologically, allow mariners to track the sequence of updates and ensure they are consulting the most recent information. Moreover, it serves as a valuable historical reference, enabling mariners to review past editions to understand the evolution of navigational information over time. In essence, Weekly Edition 20 is an indispensable component of the publication, aiding mariners in navigating safely and effectively on the open water. The date May 16, 2024, on the first page of the Notice Mariners Weekly Update publication serves as a reference point for mariners, indicating the currency of the information provided. It allows mariners to assess the relevance of the publication to their current navigational planning, track change over time, and ensure compliance with maritime regulations requiring the use of up-to-date navigational information. Admiralty chart affected by the publication list. In the Notice Mariner Weekly Update publication, the section titled Admiralty Chart affected by the publication list identifies the Admiralty chart impacted by the update provided in the publication. This concise list enables mariners to swiftly pinpoint which chart required attention and updating for their planned voyage. By streamlining the process of charting, this section enhances navigational safety by ensuring mariners have the most current information for safe passage at sea. 2024 20/24. In the Notice Mariner Weekly Update publication, the term 20/24 likely refers to a specific section or category within the publication. This designated could indicate a particular type of navigational update, such as chart corrections, buoy status report, or other essential information relevant to mariners. By using this numbering system, the publication organizes its content in a structured manner, facilitating easy navigation and quick access to the relevant updates for mariners. Admiralty chart 410, 902, 1141, 1146, 1543, 1,698, 2,226, 2,595, 2,645. In Notice Mariner's Weekly Updates publication, the term Admiralty Chart refers to official nautical chart produced by the United Kingdom Hydrographic Office (UKHO). This chart provides essential information for safe navigation at sea, including depth, hazard, aids to navigation, and other relevant details for mariners. The publication likely includes update and notification regarding change to this chart, ensuring that mariners have the most accurate and up-to-date information for their voyage. Admiralty Chart and Publication now publish an available new edition of Admiralty Chart and Publication. In the context of the Notice Mariner's Weekly Update publication, the phrase Admiralty Chart and Publication now publish an available new edition of Admiralty Chart and Publication indicate the availability of updating edition of navigational chart and publication issued by the Admiralty. 410. In the Notice Mariner Weekly Update publication, the designated 410 likely denotes a specific Admiralty chart that has been updated or issued with a new edition. This numerical code serves as a reference point for mariners to easily locate and obtain the latest edition of the Admiralty chart, ensuring they have access to accurate and up-to-date navigational information for their voyage. By highlighting the availability of new edition of Admiralty chart and publication, Admiralty chart and publication to be published. Admiralty chart May 30, 2024. In the Notice Mariner Weekly Update, the phrase Admiralty Chart to be published May 30, 2024 indicates the scheduled release date for new Admiralty Chart. This information is crucial for mariners as it information about availability of updating navigational chart, which are essential tools for safe navigation at sea. 11,141. In the context of the Notice Mariner's Weekly publication, the number 1141 refers to a specific notice or item within the publication. It could denote a navigational hazard, a change in navigational chart, an update to aid to navigation, or any other pertinent information relevant to mariners. The inclusion of their numbers serve to categorize and identify the particular notice within the publication, allowing mariners to easily reference and access the information they need for safe navigation.